Welcome everyone to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the gold market for Monday, April 27th. Well, we can see here that gold is still in a first time frame uptrend. If we look at the configuration of the highs and the lows of the current candles, we can see that we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, which means that we're trending up in the short term, and that's reflected by the line here, the Tenkan Sen, which is pointing up. That shows that the market has upside momentum. It's fairly steep, which means that the market has some strong momentum to the upside as well. Now, interestingly, what we like to see as a trend develops is that we like to see green bodies, and we have mostly green bodies, except for the current day. We have quite a large red body, which means that the market has turned bearish on the day. And we like to see the size of the bodies getting larger and larger and larger. We don't want to see the bodies becoming small all of a sudden. So this, the body of this candle isn't extremely small. It's pretty much an average size of what it was. It has probably decreased a little bit. So I don't think we can really read too much into that. But the most important thing there is that the candle has turned red, which is quite important. Interestingly, also, we have this shadow or wick on top, which means downside price rejection. And we can see that the market has tried to rally up above the Kijun Sen and has been sold off. Now, we know that a flat Kijun Sen can attract price action. We also know that when we have a flat top or bottom on the Kumo or the cloud, that tends to attract price action. So what we had was a very strong downtrending market which moved greatly into disequilibrium, and now the market is just moving back into equilibrium. So importantly here, what we need to do is wait and see how the market reacts to the lows here of these two candles and the cloud here. Now we've taken out the bottom of the cloud, and the market is now trading within the cloud. That means that the market is essentially fairly neutral, even though we have the Tenkan Sen below the Kijun Sen, which is a bearish sign. So any signals that we might be getting here, we need to grade them as a neutral signal, really, because we're trading within that cloud. Now, whether this market continues to trend up remains to be seen, and we do need to watch the top of the cloud or the Kumo if the market does trade up. Certainly, if it breaks out, and if we have a change in the configuration of the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen, it could be worth taking advantage of and going long. But I don't think we'll see that. I think what we should be doing is looking to this low to be taken out for some sort of a sell-off.